All right. Here's an elevator at a random shopping plaza in Beidaihe, China, and someone is blowing a whistle. Anyways, I don't know what brand this is. 3, 2. This is a Canny elevator. I've never heard of that brand before, Canny. I normally don't film generic elevators like this, especially with stainless steel. But I've been running a lot of interesting elevators with this brand. Never heard of. We're gonna get a view of this shopping plaza. I'll take it for one more ride because people are like literally getting on the elevator. It's making this a deep overkill for me to get a good video. I love this view of this shopping plaza. This is an amazing view. All right. I guess I might take for one more ride on the elevator. Here's a call point fire alarm station, which I see a lot of those in Europe. And look at this. Look at that right there. It's got a system sensor spectral classic with an interesting red strobe light. All right, and here's the elevator car right here. I'm gonna go for one more ride. And we're gonna silently hear the motor this time. Back down to one end there. Let's close the door quick before lots of people start piling into the elevator so rapidly. I've been finding a lot of interesting brands that I've never heard of, so. Anyways, there it goes. Like I said, I don't really film generic elevators, but if it's an interesting brand I never heard of, like this one, I'll definitely film. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.